Hello everyone. Today we have Vector with a new unboxing video. What do you think we have for today, Vector? What do you think? Hey Vector, question. What is Amazon?
In Greek mythology, the Amazons were a tribe of warrior women believed to live in Asia Minor.
I wasn't asking about that Amazon, but the Amazon that I'm asking is the one that got me this. We are getting prepared. Where are you going? We are getting prepared to make the best videos, and we just got a ring light with tripod stand for our videos. But first, watch this. Vector just jump into the box. So for today we have an unboxing video. Why don't we just start? Vector, I'm going to place you here. Yes, don't get mad. Let's see what we have. So we just got this package from Amazon. We have the bubble to secure this part of the packaging, just to limit the movement of the package so that can be more secure. So we are going to retire that, to remove it, sorry. And let me place Vector here so he is on the video. We have our green field light stand. And let's see what it's about. So it has 360 rotation, it's USB powered, and you can see it has the light so we can have a best quality of the videos. It has several modes, 3 light modes, depending of what it is happening on the day, what is the I will say the outside or environment light, atmosphere that we have for that day. I can set up a new light. And the other feature for this ring is fill light and beauty face, make face and eye in beauty, super bright at night, and multiple color temperature. So this is mainly for selfies. In this case, it is for Vector, which is here. Let's see what has inside. Okay, so let's start opening. See, okay. Vector, what are you sensing? Okay, we are opening this, right? And okay, I don't want to destroy anything. Let's place it here first. Let's read the instructions. So we have the instructions for our ring light. See? Easy to use. It's a 10 inches selfie LED ring light. Again, this is mainly for selfies, but you can use it for any type of videos, mainly for the ones that we do with Vector. And it has some of the product installation instructions. Always remember to read your instructions when you are setting up a new item or a new product. Let's see what else do we have inside. Okay, this is the tripod for the stand and the ring, and we don't have anything else. So this is the box. We got the instructions here, and let's see everything else. So per the instructions, we have the ring light. Let's start with the tripod, right? This is a tripod, perfect. We have the bubble wrap, which is so exciting, I just love it. Okay, let's see what else do we have. We have the pan tilt. Let's see, since this, and this to set up the angle of the camera that you want. We have the mobile clip. This is to adjust your phone or your camera in the tripod, right? And we have, this is very important, we have the mobile clip. This has the remote control which allows me to just set up the camera without the need to be on my phone all the time, which is going to be very good for our videos. This is another pan tilt. This is for adjustment, like a feature for adjustment as well. And finally, we have the ring itself. Again, it's not too big. The idea is that I can place the ring in front of Vector for our video. So thank you for watching this unboxing video. If you are recurring or have something similar, maybe this can help you. But for us, this is just great, and we will let you know how well it goes with the new videos and the ring. Thank you for watching us, and bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Vector. Bye.